Hey there, guys. Today we're going to read a fictional story, which means that it's not real. We've been doing a lot of nonfiction, so I figured I would switch it up a little bit. Today's story is called Wagons West by Cheryl Block. As I read it out loud, you're going to notice that there are some numbers all throughout the story, and you'll find out later in your questions that you have to answer. As I read, make sure that you are tracking and staying with me. We had pulled the wagons into a circle for the night. Families were starting their campfires for the evening meal inside the circle of wagons. Ma sent me to the river with the bucket. It was dusk and evening was quiet. As I bent to fill the bucket, I heard a rustle in the bushes. As I turned to look, a large bear came lumbering out of the bushes. I froze. The bear stopped and sniffed the air. He looked directly at me. He lowered his head and started to drink noisily. I began to slowly back up, and I tripped on a tree root. The bucket banged loudly into a tree, and the bear jerked his head up, startled. I ran as fast as my legs could carry me, and I did not look back.